guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we have an Etsy shop haul. So this is the stickers that I'm going to be using from Etsy, from SaraMarieStickers.etsy.com. I'll put a link below. This is the budget kit that I got from her a few weeks ago actually, and then I got a new one, which is what you see down at the bottom in the envelope. This is just the invoice that she has, that she includes inside her stickers shipment. And I love the fact that she checks off, which is very thorough, and making sure that everything that is supposed to be in the order. I was very happy with the shipment for the first order. It is for February's monthly budget, and the total was $17.50 with taxes, and that was the entire budget kit. So I'm going to go over what we got in the first set, or the whole budget kit. So here we have W2B, which is the February thin washi strips. You get a set of, hold on one second, let me zoom in for you guys. You get a set of 6 washes, which I think is absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that it's not hearts, as you would assume it would be for February, but it still has a very beautiful pink and red springy color. The next one is B2. It's the February actual budget kit. You can see it has income type, total income, expenses, total expenses, and all that good stuff. The paper is just regular sticky paper, and she has some of her where you can find her at up at the top. The next one is T2, the February transaction log. It has the dates, the amounts, the categories, and the description. Excuse my voice, for some reason I'm losing it. Next we have the thick washi for February, which is the W2A, and these are just 2 strips of these beautiful roses or flowers. They're extremely beautiful. I love the color, kind of sticks with the Valentine's theme. Here we have the C2 kit with the weekly check-in. As you can see, it has categories spent and the remaining balance, and at the bottom it has weeks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and totals, which I absolutely love. I'm going to use those for the probably weekly check-ins for week 1, 2, and so forth and so on. So here we have on the second to last is S2, which is the sinking funds. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the last one of the kit. You can see here it's very nice and organized. You get 6 pieces total, and here I'm just going to speed up me opening the second package. I realized that for me in particular, that I'm going to need, or that I desired, the February budget kit, 4 more extra pieces or sheets, because I want to do a weekly check-in and I want to use those categories. So here again you can see that it comes in a nice little package. It comes with the invoice. This one is just the one that I bought 4 times, and it is the February budget kit, which is the B2, and you can see she did check off as well to make sure it was in there. And here are our 4 extras that I ordered. That that total actually came out to be $15.50 with taxes. And like I said, I'll link it below so you guys can check her out. And these are the 4 that I purchased extra. This shipment was a little delayed, but I'm assuming, other circumstances, but it did ship in time. It was just the post office that had an issue. Here I'm including a couple of other things that I use, just for those of you who are beginners and don't really know what to use or what might be good. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's just a set of tools so that I can pick up the stickers that I have and place them better when I do my budget layout for my bill stickers and whatnot. Here I just have my Erin Condren Monthly Deluxe, and I'm just going to show you guys that they're okay. The little tweaks, as you can say, that is what they are. They're okay. I think they're going to be good for the job. It is nice that you get 4 in a pack. And these are some more stickers that I bought off Etsy from Lexington Fair. I can also link that below. I love the sticker shops. They are very nice and beautiful. Here I'm just going to use it to put this that I worked sticker, which I normally don't work on Sundays, down. We do get a bonus, so I'm kind of wanting to record that, and I did work Sunday. So it works just fine. They are a little flimsy, as you can see here, but they're just for stickers. I think they'll be just fine. Now here's a pen that I absolutely love. It's an ultra fine pen, kind of works like a Sharpie. only when you write on plastic, it doesn't stick, it does smear. But the good thing that I love about this is the fact that you can write on these pages and it does not bleed through. As you guys can see here, I'm just cursive writing. I love this pen or marker, however you want to put it. And then I'm going to show you that on the back of the page that you cannot see it. Very, very, very faintly you can see maybe just a little bit if you look hard enough, but it doesn't bleed through for it to be the type of pigmentation that I love of a Sharpie marker or permanent marker. Now I did get this in blue and I also got it in red, which is what you'll see here. I have not used these red ones. Again, this is from the Dollar Tree. I have not used these red ones because I'm using the Papermate Flare pen, and I absolutely love this one as well. And this is what I write. This one's good too, I say. It doesn't bleed through. It has that beautiful pigmentation for these pages that I love so very much. And I'm just showing you here that it does not bleed through. And I'll zoom in so that you guys can see, or you can kind of squint and see that there's really nothing there, which is absolutely wonderful. And like I said, I just absolutely love it. Now here I don't have the package to show you, but I want to say it's called Integra, the whiteout that I use. And it works beautifully over the permanent markers or these markers that I'm using. Here I just wrote down 1221, and it doesn't stick. As you can see here, when I pick it up, there's no like hanging or stickiness coming from it. And I absolutely love that. And I touch it just so you can see nothing is coming up. It's very, very beautiful. I'm going to zoom in for you guys here so that you can see that you can barely see that there's any white out here. Alright guys, well that's pretty much all that I used, and that's my haul from Etsy. Thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Until the next video, bye!